going to talk about types of supervision. So let's start. But first, we have to know what is supervision. And supervision involves a professional that helps others to learn and develop through engaging in the process of review and reflection in their job. So there are 4 different types of supervision. First one, autocratic or authoritarian supervision. It involves power, obedience, and in this case, so the supervisor is in absolute power, and all the subordinates have to complete a full obedience, and all the activities must be done strictly. The second one is laissez-faire or free-rein supervision. So this is called as independent supervision, and in this case it involves a maximum freedom in the subordinates. So all the subordinates are encouraged to work in their own jobs, and they have the opportunity to solve different problems, and the supervisor never interferes in the job of the subordinates. So the next is democratic supervision, and this is known as consultative and participative supervision. So in this case, so the subordinates are encouraged to give suggestions, to take initiative and exercise free judgments. Supervisor consults the subordinates in the process of decision making. And the last one, bureaucratic supervision. So it involves rules and regulations, and all the rules and regulations have to be followed very strictly. There are another different kind of supervision in education, and these are: the first is inspection. Inspection involves good teaching in the classroom. So teachers have duties and responsibilities inside of the classroom, and they have to be alert because the supervisor is going to go to check if everything is correct. The next is absolute freedom. So it involves absolute freedom. So teachers have or take the decisions about all the activities and about all the duties that they have to do in order to know what is the best for their students. So the next is conclusion type. And conclusion type involves autocracy. And the autocracy goes to the inspecting personnel. So in this case, so everyone has to follow guidelines about programs and methodologies. And there are rules and regulations. The next, there is training and direction. So, and it says that students and teachers are the center point of the teaching learning processes. They are the most important. This type of supervision helps to develop interest, self-confidence, and creativity when teachers teach their subjects. And then we have the last one, that is democratic leadership. Teachers have the opportunity to give suggestions, and the most important is teaching and learning improvement. So it says that everyone who are involved in the process of education are the responsibles to reach a high quality of education. To sum up, supervision is very important in education, because if we use supervision in our schools, it helps us to improve, now implement, and control all the teaching and learning processes